You are going to love the 2021 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.